me, Ratchet Hairstyles! And today I'm going to be showing you a couple hairstyles to do for your everyday school or work or whatever you do routine. I will be turning your hair from fantastic to ratchetly fab! Oh no, my hair fell. To ratchet. So to start off, I'm going to take down my very ugly and not ratchet at all ponytail. And now I'm just going to lusciously whip my hair all around in slow motion. So now I'm going to take this comb and part my hair on the left, or you can part in the right or in the center, whatever you want. Now I'm going to split my hair into two and start French Dutch braiding it. And if you don't know how to do that, just search it up on YouTube or Google. So here is one side finished, and you're going to do the same for the other, and it should look something like this. And this hairstyle is beautiful itself, so if you want, you could stop here. So this is hairstyle number one. I like to call it the poopsie because it looks like poop. So first you're going to need some bobby pins. Ooh, look how fabulous. And you're just going to pin your hair in an upward sort of way, if you can sort of see what I'm trying to do. And just use as many pins as you need to secure your hair up. After you've pinned up one side, you're going to do the same for the other side. And then you're done. You look fabulous, and this is great for any occasion. And for hairstyle number two, this is called the Goldilocks. First, you're going to start with your already braided hair, and you're going to pin it up just like in the first hairstyle, except you're going to pin it up higher, and you're going to bend down the ends, and you can even accessorize your hair with some bows or ribbons. And now you're finished. And for hairstyle number three, this one is called Mary Poppins. So you're just going to take your hair and put it in a circle loop sort of thing and just pin it down on both sides. And then you're done! Oh, look! It's so strong that it can even carry my phone, guys. Look, no hands! Wow! Muscle! And hairstyle number four is called the faux dreadlocks. So to do this hairstyle, you're going to start by dividing your hair into two sections, and you're going to French Dutch braid your hair all the way up from the bottom, and it should look like this. And then you're done! So this is the final hairstyle, and you're going to start by taking your dreadlocks and you're going to tie them at the top of it together with a super cute elastic, and you're just going to continue to tie your dreadlocks together with more elastic. As you can see, it stands up on its own magically. So this is the final hairstyle. It's called the unicorn. Please subscribe and comment and like. We love you. Bye. And it's going to be, what do you order at Starbucks in fall?
a double chocolate chip frappuccino or a vanilla bean frap.
This is what it looks like, as you can see.